How good is your Spanish? In this quiz, you'll test yourself with 60 basic Spanish phrases you need in everyday life. Choose the correct answer and see how much you really know. Let's begin. How do you say I want to go to the bathroom?
Quiero ir al baño.
How do you say where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
How do you say I am hungry?
Tengo hambre.
How do you say I am thirsty?
Tengo sed.
How do you say what is this?
¿Qué es esto?
How do you say what are you doing?
¿Qué estás haciendo?
How do you say I don't understand anything?
No entiendo nada.
How do you say can you repeat that?
¿Puedes repetir eso?
How do you say speak slower, please?
Habla más despacio, por favor.
How do you say what is your name?
¿Cómo te llamas?
How do you say my name is Juan?
Me llamo Juan.
How do you say nice to meet you?
Mucho gusto.
How do you say how are you today?
¿Cómo estás hoy?
How do you say I am very well?
Estoy muy bien.
How do you say I am a little tired?
Estoy un poco cansado.
How do you say how much does this cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta esto?
How do you say it's very expensive?
Es muy caro.
How do you say it's very cheap?
Es muy barato.
How do you say I want to buy this?
Quiero comprar esto.
How do you say do you accept card?
¿Aceptas tarjeta?
How do you say sorry? It wasn't my intention.
Perdón. No fue mi intención.
How do you say excuse me? Can you help me?
Disculpa. ¿Puedes ayudarme?
How do you say thank you very much?
Muchas gracias.
How do you say you are welcome? With pleasure.
De nada. Con gusto.
How do you say good morning?
Buenos días.
How do you say good afternoon?
Buenas tardes.
How do you say good night?
Buenas noches.
How do you say see you later?
Hasta luego.
How do you say see you tomorrow?
Nos vemos mañana.
How do you say wait a moment, please?
Espera un momento, por favor.
How do you say come with me?
Ven conmigo.
How do you say can you come here?
¿Puedes venir aquí?
How do you say open the door, please?
Abre la puerta, por favor.
How do you say close the door, please?
Cierra la puerta, por favor.
How do you say sit here?
Siéntate aquí.
How do you say stand up, please?
Levántate, por favor.
How do you say look at this?
Mira esto.
How do you say listen carefully?
Escucha con atención.
How do you say where are you now?
¿Dónde estás ahora?
How do you say I am here with you?
Estoy aquí contigo.
How do you say I am going home now?
Voy a casa ahora.
How do you say I am at home?
Estoy en casa.
How do you say I am working now?
Estoy trabajando ahora.
How do you say I am studying Spanish?
Estoy estudiando español.
How do you say I am eating now?
Estoy comiendo ahora.
How do you say I am drinking water?
Estoy bebiendo agua.
How do you say I am very cold?
Tengo mucho frío.
How do you say I am very hot?
Tengo mucho calor.
How do you say I like this place?
Me gusta este lugar.
How do you say I don't like this?
No me gusta esto.
How do you say this is very good?
Esto es muy bueno.
How do you say this is very bad?
Esto es muy malo.
How do you say what do you want to do?
¿Qué quieres hacer?
How do you say I am busy now?
Estoy ocupado ahora.
How do you say I don't have time today?
No tengo tiempo hoy.
How do you say let's eat something?
Vamos a comer algo.
How do you say let's go out together?
Vamos a salir juntos.
How do you say I want to rest a little?
Quiero descansar un poco.
How do you say can you wait here?
¿Puedes esperar aquí?
How do you say I am ready to go?
Estoy listo para ir.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.